I'm just staring at myself.
Wow. You forgot what to do on a vlog?
Yes. So where are we at?
We are at Bier Garden in Virginia Beach.
I was about to say, let's clarify that. There's two.
Not the Portsmouth one.
We're at the more accessible one.
Having a late lunch and dinner.
Oh, very. We just had a pretzel though.
This we should have showed you because it was really good.
We ate it too quickly. So, how was the pretzel?
Good.
That's good.
I liked it. It was not hard like some of them get.
I know, right? And we had some good German spicy mustard.
In a tube. A tube.
But I ordered my normal, which is spatizal. Special
spatzel.
It's
Special.
It's vegan? Or no, it's vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Well, I haven't done this in a long time.
And then a salad.
I haven't.
A salad.
My arm's killing me already.
Really? Wow.
It's been a couple minutes.
And then I got the Rueben Schnitzel
On a pretzel bread. Haven't we eaten here before on the vlog? Like at the one in Germany?
No, because we've never been to Germany. But no, we've never vlogged it. I think we talked about it.
That's weird. Don't get the sweet tea if you like southern style sweet tea. If you like lightly sweet tea, then get that.
A sweet and low fixes it. So. But I got the Rueben Schnitzel on pretzel bread with cucumber salad and German potato salad. You're so serious looking. What's it doing?
I don't know. I was looking at the camera actually to see if it was any better because I got a new phone. It's a little bit better actually on the front. Yeah.
You got something on your screen.
I know it's bugging the crap out of me too, but I didn't want to touch it because that means that it'll do something else. So, okay, we'll check in later. Oh, no, we won't check in later. You want to know why? Hold on. There we go.
Okay.
Michael had a bright idea. Since we now have Disney Plus for 3 years, you get to deal with this for 3 years of doing this.
We are going to watch a movie at night, and we are going to review it. So,
Give our pre-thoughts, our mid-thoughts, and our ending thoughts.
and if it's something worthwhile.
I mean, we already have watched like 3 movies that recently.
Feels like so many more.
I know. Well, we watched like Mickey's Christmas Carol stuff.
Yeah. It's December the 1st, so it's Christmassy time.
But we did watch Noel.
Which we'll have to review that. It's not now. Pretzel stuck in your teeth?
Yeah, no, I was just saying, if you can read it by my face, it was...
We'll do a review on it.
There we go. There's your review.
We'll do a review on it. We're not watching it again, but we'll do a review on it.
Okay, well, I gotta put my phone down. Bye.
Bye.
This phone's heavier than my other phone.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mine.
Mine.
Special spatzel. It's onions, mushrooms, and cheese on a noodle?
It's an egg noodle.
Is it an egg? It's like a handmade egg noodle.
Yes, handmade egg
I got just a side salad. What'd you get?
This is the Rueben Schnitzel. So it's
Yeah, we've already told you this, but...
It's like a Rueben. So it's a schnitzel on the pretzel bread.
So it's chicken, right? It's flattened out chicken.
It's veal or something of that nature. I don't think it's chicken. I don't know what schnitzel is.
Schnitzel is
Hold on.
normally veal, but you get chicken.
That's not chicken.
That's definitely chicken.
It's regular schnitzel.
Okay, and then you got potato salad, German potato salad, which is warm, and then cucumber salad, which Michael just likes vinegar.
Yes.
And now he's looking it up.
What kind of meat it is?
Traditionally?
It can be made use either chicken, veal, mutton, beef, turkey, or pork. So God only knows what it actually is.
Yeah, right? I don't know. And then we have this big tube of spicy German mustard, which I don't know why they gave us, but
That was
whatever.
for the pretzel, I think.
Yeah, but why would you give us that big of a fucking tube?
Actually, German schnitzel is pork.
Oh, okay. Well, you got pork. Cool.
I don't know.
Most likely pork. But mine's good. I really like mine. Oh, look. Watch this. This is what I can do with my new camera. Get the whole shot in there.
Ew. Niftiness.
I know, right? And it's still recording, so... And then I can zoom in.
Dun, dun, dun.
Welcome to the new camera life. Well, that was good.
But,
Here's the table. I can zoom out. What?
you made a mess.
No, you made a mess.
It's your mess.
No. But that was good. Good job. It was good. Michael's dying, obviously.
Dying. Hold on.
Drink your unsweet sweet tea.
Take 2.
Mm-hmm. Well, mine was good.
Mine was very good.
Mine was cheesier than normal. Like, okay. So it's vegetarian, so it has cheese on it, but it's really good. To here, it was a lot more creamy. Over at the other one, they seem to put it like in the microwave. Like they have it all pre-made in the morning and then they just give it out because they don't do it often. Here, it seems like they obviously do it more often.
Can I give you a nice salad even though you don't eat most of it?
Oh yeah, my salad was delicious though.
Yeah.
And how was your non-determinate meat schnitzel?
My undisclosed meat was actually really good. I like the sandwich better here than I did at the Portsmouth one. But the potato salad and the cucumber salad was better over at the other location. I don't know why though.
It might just be today.
Stuff, yeah.
It could just be today.
Or we haven't had it in a long time either.
That could be a possibility.
But yeah, it was pretty good. It was a very good dinner because it's $3.50 and we're just not eating lunch. So
It's already $3.50 and we just now ate our first meal of the day.
So it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was worth driving out here for. Why are you making faces?
I like making faces. Why not?
I don't know. Why do I look like a used car salesman?
Because you are. Okay, well, we'll check in a little bit later. I don't think we're getting anything for dessert.
Probably not. Unless they have something special. It's just Germany.
German cheesecake?
No,
German chocolate cake?
they have an apple streusel thing.
I don't like apple.
They had something else on it. I don't remember what there was. German chocolate cake. I don't like cooking on German chocolate cake.
Okay, well, we're not getting dessert then.
Nope, we
but
have
we'll
gum
check
in
in.
the car.
We'll check in later.
Okay, bye-bye.
So, we're on our way home.
Is that where we're going?
Yes. We're on our way home.
We can go that way.
I mean, do you want to go somewhere else? The unintentional downfall of going to a Hallmark store is the fact that they're judgmental.
Very.
They're usually just older women, and us walking in there.
Hold on, let me do it.
I know, it's okay. It can have 2 seconds of Alanis Morissette.
There you go.
But they're just judgmental. And they were judging me for even having my phone out. No, I don't know. I didn't even attempt.
Kevin looks like a shoplifter.
That's not true. The car's making a lot of noises
The
currently.
car's telling you that you're not wearing a seatbelt.
Is that what it's saying?
That's what it said.
We're not even started or moving yet.
Do.
It's okay. I wasn't chewing that much.
Sure you weren't.
Speak up.
I said sure you weren't.
Okay, well, I guess we're going home now.
I don't know what else is to do.
I'm super shiny.
I know places are going to start closing.
Yeah, it's a Sunday.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's the Sunday after Thanksgiving, so things are
Oh, I slid way far back in my seat.
doing their holiday hours now. So
Oh, gotcha.
some places are anyway.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll figure it out as we go.
And we'll let you know.
We will. Maybe, maybe not.
It's going to be a surprise.
You get to be with us all day long. You can just unsubscribe right now.
Don't listen to him. Don't do that.
What? Just subscribe or
You
unsubscribe?
said unsubscribe.
I did say that. But they have to be stuck with us all day, though.
And?
I'm joking. You either love us or you hate us, and there's no in between this. So,
Let's see what's over this way.
not much.
Actually, there's a lot of little shops in here. Again, most of them are closed on Sunday, though.
Gotcha.
Which makes no stinking sense.
We can go to the ABC store.
There's a bug in the car.
Is it?
Yeah. Because you're going to continue to walk anyways.
Yeah, right? Let me smile and... Wow, that's the worst.
I know. I
face
don't know
ever.
why they ever put that into a vehicle.
Oh, that's on the outside of the car. Yeah, that's on the outside of the
No,
car.
there was one inside.
Was it a spider?
No, it was just a little mosquito thingy.
I don't care about that. There's a spider on the outside.
Oh, sure. There is. Bye-bye.
Oh, Michael killed a spider.
Oh, no.
But there's Office Depot. We can go to Whalebone Surf Shop.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You ready?
I'm eating popcorn.
Why are you eating popcorn?
Movie night.
Yes, it is. So, new place. Oh, I gotta do my hair before I do this. Oh, it's messy. We're planning on doing. Let's go to the movies. So, I'm making popcorn right now. I'm gonna show you how I make my popcorn. Michael just makes his in the microwave. I do as well, but I put fancy stuff on it.
I get kettle corn.
I don't like kettle corn.
Not okay.
It's okay.
I don't.
But yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I guess we'll end this video, and this will be Wednesday's video. So, we did some stuff today. We're going to try to get back to normal. Michael wants to upload something every day. So we're going to try and watch a movie every day. But a new series of Let's Go to the Movies. Don't eat all the popcorn before the movie.
I just wanted the popcorn. I could care less about the movie.
Sorry about all the background noise. We're doing laundry. How's your popcorn?
What?
I feel like I have something right here. Wait, don't. My popcorn's popping!
It is.
Thanks. I got popcorn! Yay, I need you to hold. I can't hold and do things with one hand.
Where's your little stand?
It's taken apart because I was doing other stuff. I like my popcorn a little bit more savory, so I use some chili pata, some salt, because I love my salt. Normally I'll use like a garlic salt, but I'm going to use some garlic and herb today. And then I like a little bit of spice because, I mean, who doesn't? So we have some Mrs. Dash extra spicy, salt-free. So, salt, lots of salt. Let me unblock that. Salt Bay. No?
Salt what?
Salt Bay. Salt Bay.
Wow. How much of that made it in the bowl?
Just made it all over my heart. Oh Lord, I'm gonna need more salt than this.
You'll stop throwing it on your arm in the island and put it in your bowl.
Normally I put butter on there, but I'm not gonna do that today.
There's a lot of butter on it already. You can smell it.
We're running out of that. Did we find another hang of that?
What's the Chipotle one?
No.
Wasn't the right stuff.
But this is really what makes it good. You can actually put chili powder and mayonnaise on corn, and it's really good too. It's only because I'm on video.
The biggest bowl we own, and he still throws it all over the place.
This is the medium bowl. We have a bigger bowl. Okay.
You want to taste it before you keep throwing stuff on it?
Nope. I know my taste buds. I feel like I need more. What is it missing? You know what? Normally I won't do it, but I'm going to do it today.
The garlic.
And garlic salt.
What are you doing, Kirby?
Being irritating and chip tapping around.
What are you doing?
Go ahead, Matt.
What are you doing?
But it's a little bit more savory, but you can see the chili powder.
Yeah, it comes out more brown.
It changes the flavor so much. It's really good. Okay. So, have we chosen a movie?
We have. But you'll have to pay attention to the next video to find.
Yeah, we gotta stop eating our popcorn. We gotta go watch our movie.
Alright, well, we're gonna go watch our movie, so.
Okay, well, hold on. Well, it's been a fun day being back. Remember, subscribe, like, thummy up, thumbs up. That's a thumb. That's a like, right?
Like is thumbs up.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Share on all your social medias.
Follow.
Yeah, gosh, we haven't done this in a
I know,
long
it's
time.
horrible.
Oh, yeah, by the way, we're back.
Just let you know.
Yeah, but as always, it's been fun, so
Be
awesome
awesome
today. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
That was a little bit off, but that's
Oh,
okay. We'll be good. Stop shoving your face.
Ah, not my popcorn.